Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change the drain motor for Panasonic washing machine in F70H2. So if your washing machine having problem when it's running halfway, it stops and then the water cannot go out, then you can try to remove this, replace this part. This one is to control the valve to let the water drain out. Okay, so let's try. So let's remove the back panel. There's a 4 screw. Then we will need to remove the bottom panel so it's easier to access the drain motor. So after we remove the panel, let's take a look at the location of the drain motor. Okay, so we go down to the bottom. Yep. So this is the drain motor. So we're gonna replace the new one. Okay. So you can see this 1, 2 and 3 bolt. Inlet water hose. Okay, so as we can see, the water is straight up. So that means the drain valve is working correctly. You can see the water is going up. Okay, everything looks good. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.